Morning, just going to give you an update on the Brera. I have finished it, it's now sold. It's going to be going off to its new owner today. I'm shortly going to be taking it for an MOT. I have done a few more jobs to it. I did do them off camera. So here we go, give you a quick look around it and see what you think. There are 3 more jobs I need to do to it today. I need to take it for an MOT, I need to give it a wash and a polish, and I also need to fit one more item which is quite special, which the customer has requested. So let's have a look around the car and you can see what's been done to it. Okay, to start with, what I've done is painted the calipers a nice Brembo yellow colour. Just finished it off quite nicely. As you can see from the final thing I'm going to be doing to it, there is a little bit of a reason why I painted them yellow and not red. I also think red calipers doesn't look too great with a red car. You can see with the front of the car, everything's been fitted. So the new front grille on there, everything lines up perfectly. The rest of the calipers. And you can see the final update I'm going to be doing to it today is fitting these bad boys to it. 19-inch Julia QV alloy wheels with brand new tyres. They're going to be going on that, and I'll be fitting them so you can see what they look like. Okay, let's give this car a clean and make it look like it should do. I think the wheels look pretty good. I may see if I can persuade the customer to put some lowering springs on it or some coilover suspension, because I think it could do with lowering 20mm. Okay, so before I polish it, I'm going to take it for its MOT, get a full year's ticket on it, and then we're going to give the bodywork a clean up and a polish, and then we're all good to go. Here we are, all done. Car's all finished now. It's had swirl flap delete, cam belt, water pump, new alloy wheels, brake calipers painted, accident damage repaired. It's a very nice Brera now. The new owner is going to be very pleased with it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and you'll get to see more videos and more projects that I'll be doing in the future. Thanks.